Welcome to the Soundtrap tutorial about how to import and edit loops. Now you should be looking at a Soundtrap project that looks similar to this, where you have 8 full measures of a Black Panther beat up here. If you don't have that done yet, please stop right now and go back and make sure you have those 8 full measures. To get a sample, what you'll have to do is follow this link on Composition D document. It's going to open up to the sample folder. In the sample folder, there's a couple of different songs you might be, or sounds you might be able to use in Soundtrap. And all you have to do is go ahead and listen to them, play around with them, see which one you want, and then pick whichever one, or 2 or 3, that you want to use. And then select that, and you'll simply just click on the little buttons, and you'll download that song. So I don't want to deal with birds. I'm more of a baby talk guy. So we'll do the baby talk. You see it downloaded down here, and whatever downloads on your Chromebook, you can simply do the same thing where you click and drag and drop it into Soundtrap, and it'll automatically upload there, so you can hear the sampled sound in Soundtrap. It's adorable. You're going to be able to see the different sounds that are happening in the sample with the sound waves. You can see the bumps and all of those. What you want to do when you're editing your sample is to focus on those sound waves. Now, having just one sample like this is not going to be able, we're not going to be able to really make any interesting rhythms for it. So what I'm going to do is focus on just one part of this sample, and I'm going to zoom in real close so I can get a nice clean edit of the one sound I want. And let's listen to it again. We're gonna do this one right here. We're just gonna do our first little sound that the baby makes, and we're gonna drag. Now I want to do this first sound right here. Okay, just this first guy. See what that sounds like. So I'm going to zoom in nice and close. It's taking me a little while. And what you do to edit the length of the sample is you click and drag the bottom here, and you can make it longer, make it shorter. Okay, so I'm going to edit this guy down, do that, and then where's my other half? Over here, do that. So now my sample is, that's it, little baby talk. And what I can do with this is I can take it, click it, Command-C copies, and then wherever this cursor is, I can Command-V and paste. I'm sorry, Control-V. Control-C copy, Control-V paste. And I can start sort of arranging where I want my baby to talk. Baby talk there, baby talk there, and some baby talk there. Why not? Let's see what it sounds like with the drum beat. Good. So now I got baby talk and drum beat happening at the same time. What I can do, I'm going to get another version, and I'm going to shorten it up for the next measure. Make an even smaller one. If you make smaller edits, you can layer them in much faster sequence, which creates a neat effect. Let me show you. Put it right there, and then I'm going to make it right there. Whoops. I'm going to copy him, and then I'm going to edit it so that they happen on top of one another, like this. There we go. And then I'm going to expand that one out a little bit so it sounds like the first edit. Let's see what that sounds like. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see what this does now. That's cool. So that's how you edit the tracks. Now, in addition to splicing, you can also add volume, of course. Volume changes to your sample, and you can also pan the sample, meaning having it in your left headphone or your right headphone, so you can play with those ideas.